Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall iCloud for Windows without leftover folders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall iCloud for Windows without leaving leftover folders, first, open the control panel. Click on Programs or Programs and Features. Locate iCloud in the list of installed programs. Right-click on iCloud and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. After the uninstallation, press the Windows key and type File Explorer. Open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. In the search bar, type iCloud to locate any remaining. Delete any folders related to iCloud found in the results. Next, open the Run dialog by pressing the Windows key and R simultaneously. Type %aptito% in the Run dialog and press Enter. Look for a folder named Apple Computer. If found, delete the Apple Computer folder. Next, go back to the Run dialog and type %lsallappda% and press Enter. Look for the Apple folder. Delete the Apple folder if it exists. Now, return to the Run dialog and type regedit to open the registry editor. In the registry editor, navigate to hkey_current_user software. Search for any folders named Apple or iCloud and delete them. Next, navigate to hkey_local_machine software. Again, look for any Apple or iCloud folders and remove them. Once you have finished in the registry editor, close it to prevent any accidental changes. Restart your computer to finalize the uninstallation process. Your system should now be free of any leftover iCloud files or folders. You have successfully uninstalled iCloud for Windows without leaving any remnants behind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.